Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be trying a product that I recently purchased. I'm liking it a whole lot. Here I've tried it a few times. Works great. It is used, by the way, but you'd never know from the way it's working. But it's called the laundry alternative, the Nina Black. And here's a look at the laundry alternative. This is the Nina Black spin dryer. This is a portable unit. The handle, it's about 15 pounds. This plugs into a 110, 120 wall receptacle. Here is the on-off latch. Let's take a look at the drum. So it has a plastic inner drum here. Pretty durable. Holes in the drum. Now the unit will self-balance itself. You need to put your laundry in pretty much the same way you would a washing machine. You want to put your heavier clothes in the bottom and then the lighter on top. About setting the unit up, you want to have it on a flat surface. You do not want to operate this on carpet. Reason being is there are vent holes underneath the bottom here that suck up air, so we don't want those to be clogged sitting on carpet, and then the air will transfer to the drum here through the little holes you see there. I have tried this out with hand washed shirts and it works great. These shirts dry so much faster. This just takes out any of the excess water that I can't squeeze out with my hand. So I've got a couple of shirts here that I'm going to put in the Nina, and I'll show you kind of what to expect, at least with two shirts anyway. So I'm going to rinse these shirts out, and I'm going to squeeze the water out of them. Just to give you an example of how I do this, I like to air dry my shirts. So I've already actually rinsed them. So I'm just going to squeeze the water out. Before using the Nina here, I would just squeeze it out and then I would just hang it to dry. And a shirt like this would take about 8 hours to dry. Overnight sometimes. So yeah, I mean it will drip a little bit, but that's basically what I was doing, and just letting it air dry for, like I said, generally about 8 hours. Okay, we're going to put this immediately into the Nina here. Want to try to balance it as much as we can. Let's grab the other one here. So you can see it's not dripping. Okay, let's take a buzz-pan here. This is going to be our water collector. Yeah, this is where the excess water comes out here. I'm not going to use the lid. According to the instructions, they say that you should, but you know, this is what I'm going to do personally here because my lid is messed up and it's not that high. Okay, now closing this will turn the unit on. They say plug it in afterwards, so I'm going to go ahead and do what they say here. Now when I plug this in, it's going to shake a little bit because it has to balance itself. Okay, Okay, maybe you saw that. It's already balanced. Look how much water is coming out of there. It's incredible. I squeezed those shirts firmly, and that's how much water's still in those two shirts. It's very, besides the phone that's ringing in the background, it's very quiet here. It's balanced itself, no vibration. Okay, it will continue to come out here about 4 or 5 minutes. The instructions will tell you how much time is needed. Here you can see heavy clothing, maybe you can see that, 4 or 5 minutes, normal, 3 to 4. What I've been doing is just waiting till there's no more water, and that's usually about 4 or 5 minutes. I can feel air coming out of here, a good airflow. Too bad we can't see it spinning in there, but so far, what are we, maybe a minute. All right, I'm going to pause for a second. So we are at the 5-minute mark now. I just want to point out, you don't want to dry shoes or stuffed animals. A little caution note here. Something, when it's brand new, it may have some plastic ties somewhere. And here's the on-off again. This is pull to turn off, open lid. So yeah, we're right at the 5-minute mark, and just a little bit of dripping here. I could continue to wait until there's no more drops coming out, but for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and turn it off. So what I'll be doing is just pulling this out. And you can hear it starting to slow down. You want to wait till it completely stops before you open it. Let's see if we can see the drum there. All right. Let's grab the first shirt. That's really dry. I mean, it's wet. It's not completely dry, but it's, maybe you can even see little dry spots on this shirt, like right there. So we can hang this up. Let's go to the second shirt. This is not going to take long for this to air dry. You can see the spots right there. See that? That is dry. So let's hang these up. Okay, shirts are hanging. At this point, if I were to put like a small fan on these shirts, we would have these shirts dry and ready to wear in about an hour. Coming right out of the spin dryer, you can see that the shirt's somewhat dry, or almost dry compared to some of the wetter spots here. Look at the water here from those two shirts that it pulled out. 3 cups or so, 2 or 3 cups. So if you live in a small place, maybe an apartment that doesn't have a washing machine, dryer, this I think would be a pretty good idea. Maybe if you're selling t-shirts and you want to try to, ship them out the same day, and you want to wash and clean them before you ship them out, this might be an idea. But here's the instructions. Now, I did buy this used, but it did come with instructions, and I've pretty much just covered the surface of how to operate it, at least how I operated it. You'll want to read your instructions. Again, this is the Nina Black. Now, I'm going to go downstairs and put some clothes, for the first time, take some clothes out of the washing machine and put them in here and try them out. Now, I want to make clear that I made that part of the video first, so I may be calling this thing the Ninja. So just disregard what I say in that, in that regard. This, again, is the Nina. So let's go ahead and go downstairs and we will pick up from there. All right, we just had some small load here. Let's put a few of these items of clothing here into the Nina here. Get that safety cap out. Here we have a hoodie. Let's see what else we got before I put it in there. I've got some jeans, I believe, in here. Here we've got some jeans. Let's put these in first. They're probably going to be a little heavier. Okay, let's grab the hoodie. See, you can't put a whole lot in here. Maybe we can maybe a t-shirt. Alright, so we've got a t-shirt here as well. Put the safety cap on. I didn't really show how to do this earlier very well, or maybe I didn't show it correctly, but it goes underneath the lip here so that your clothes can't come above the drum, top of the drum here. So we are good here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use this water collector. I do have it plugged in already. I'm just going to close the lid and it should start so you can see how long it takes to balance itself out. That was very smooth. We have jeans, a hoodie, and a t-shirt in there. No water is coming out yet. Got good air. All right, beginning to have a little stream of water come out. So this should help with dry time in the dryer here, and will save money if you want to extract additional water, from the spin dried cycle. We'll see how much actual water that'll be from those three. I'll give it probably like 5 minutes. I think it said 4 or 5 minutes for heavy load, and this would be considered a heavy load. So I'm going to pause for a second. I'll get right back. So here we are, right at 5 minutes, and we've got close to a half a bowl of water here, just from those 3 articles of clothing. Still got some water dripping here. I'm going to go ahead and just stop it at this point. And that's quite a bit of water, so that will make the dry time faster and save some money my case here on electricity, but I will say I probably, so you can see some of it is dried. Yeah, I probably won't be doing this with clothes right out of the spin dryer. Just kind of wanted to find out how it works. My interest really is going to be with hand washed clothes like you saw upstairs, but that's kind of what you can expect if you want to try to continue to extract water from the spin cycle of your washing machine. I guess that'll be it for that, for the Nina, for the laundry alternative Nina Black. Very helpful. I like it a lot, and we'll be using it, like I said, particularly for hand washing. So thanks for watching again. Till next time, have a great day. Take care.